Hello everyone. I have this date and time column where we have random dates of April 2023. Now we shall look into start and end functions where I could show you the differences in dates and even durations. Okay, let us quickly go to add column and create a custom column for it. So I'll start with the start periods. Okay, I'll start for the start of day. Okay, the function is date dot start of day. Okay, as you click on it, you could see that the function has only. I'll open the parenthesis. The function has only one parameter, which it requires date time as any. I have the available column date time. I'll insert that. I have closed the parenthesis and I'll click on done. Date dot start of day, it will provide us the start of day. Here you could see that the respective dates at 12 a.m. Here we have several different other timings also, but here since it is the start of day, we have the respective date along with the time 12 a.m. Let us see other functions. I'll click on custom column again. Let us see what is the start of week. Okay, start of week. I'll write the function date date dot. As soon as I type yes, you could see that start of week over here. I'll click on it. Okay, and I'll open the parenthesis. Similar to the previous function, I'll click on date time and insert. I'll close the parenthesis and click OK. These are my start of the week. Suppose that 26th is my date. Okay, 1st April is my date time. If you could see here, first date 26 is my start of the week. Okay, similarly 2nd, 9, 16, 23 are my start of the weeks. Okay, let us go to add column and create another custom column to see the start of month. Okay, I have this start of month. I'll type the function date dot start of month. Okay, I'll open the parenthesis. Similarly, insert date time and close the parenthesis. I'll click OK, and you could see that I have my dates which belongs to the start of month. It represents the 1st April of like 2023. So this is how start of month function works. I'll click again custom column. Okay, I'll show you that date dot start of year, start of quarter. Okay, this is start of quarter. I'll click on that. You could you could even name the column over here, or else you could even name the column in the formula bar. I'll create in a similar way. I'll click on date time. I'll insert it, close the parenthesis. Date dot start of quarter is it gives the start of quarter. I'll click OK. You could see that April is my second quarter, so it will give me the start of quarter as 1st April. Here I have the name as custom. You could see in the formula bar this custom value. I could remove that and I could type start of quarter and hit enter, and automatically this name has been changed. Finally, in the start functions, we have one function left, which is year function, start of year. I'll write start of year. Here I'll write date dot start of year. I'll close the parenthesis by inserting the date time column. You could see the date dot start of year and our date column inside. I'll click OK. Here you could see that start of year is January 1st, 2023. So we have start of day, start of week, month, quarter and year functions, as I have shown you how to utilize it in by using custom column. Similarly, let us explore the end period functions, where I'll click on this duplicated table of those particular dates and timings. Here you could notice the difference how the end period functions works. I'll click on custom column. I'll quickly write end of day. Okay, and here I'll write date dot end of the day. Okay, parenthesis open, click on date time, insert, and close the parenthesis. This date dot end of day, when I click OK, you could see that it will show me the next day 12 a.m. time. It is little different, it like as it does not show that 11:59 p.m. Instead it will show me that next day 12 a.m., that is the end of the day. Similarly, I'll show you the other functions. Okay, let us see what end of week shows. End of week, I'll type date over here. You could see that end of week function over here. I'll open the parenthesis, click on date time and insert it. I'll close the parenthesis. Here you have this date dot end of week and date time. I'll click OK. Here you could see that end of week. Here you could see that end of week it is Sunday instead of Saturday, because the end functions is working from Monday till Sunday. So end of the week is Sundays rather than being other days. So try to understand this how end functions works. Again, I'll create a custom column. Let us see how end of month is working. I'll write date and I'll choose the end of month function. I'll open the parenthesis, click on date time, insert, and close the parenthesis. Date dot end of month, the function, it gives us the date which is first of next month. Okay, this is the difference, how it doesn't give the end date, rather than that what it gives is it gives the starting date of next month. So try to understand this end functions and then utilize it. I'll create the end custom column, and let us see how start of quarter works. Sorry, end of quarter works. Here I'll write end of quarter, and I'll write the function date dot end of quarter. Okay, I'll write end of quarter, and I'll open the parenthesis and click on date time, insert, and close the parenthesis, hit enter. You could see that my end of quarter would be 7th July instead of 30th June, because of the this function output. So try to remember that end of the month, end of the quarter, it will, and also end of the year, it will give me the first date of next year. I'll show you in the custom column. Let us type end of year, and in the custom column formula, I have this date dot end of year. I'll just click on this end of year, parenthesis open. I'll click on this date time, insert the date time column which I have, and close the parenthesis. Date dot end of year will give me the first date of next year, rather than giving me December 31st of this year. So this is how start dates and end dates work. Try to explore these functions. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.